Who was the fastest runner in the whole world?
Roadrunner.
Fastest runner sa buong mundo?
Human?
In the whole world.
In the whole world. Yuri. The fastest species in the whole world.
No. Si Adam. But because he was the first human in the earth.
First human.
Yeah. Never ng ano si
Jadi ka meme.
Yana, say something in the YouTube.
Hi. Hi. Sorry, we're going to sleep. Bye.
Yuri ka.
What can you serve but never eat? Eat. What can you serve but never eat? But can never be eaten?
Stool?
No. A volleyball.
Yuri.
Daddy, let's go sleep.
Let's
What?
go. Mommy's sleeping already. I see mommy.
What is always coming out but never arrives?
Never arrive. Always coming out.
Palaging dumadating pero hindi siya dumadating. Palaging nandyan pala.
Problem.
Hindi. Tomorrow.
To. Yuri, come here.
What are the two things
Daddy,
you cannot
tulog na.
have
Mamaya ay na yung sun.
for breakfast?
Ha?
What are the two things
Hey,
you cannot have for
Yuri ka.
breakfast?
come here. Don't open that. It's luck. Come here. Come here.
Tulog na tayo, Daddy.
Let's listen. Yuri, come here. Yuri.
Daddy, tulog na. Mamaya ay na yung sun.
Oh, let's done. Let's go sleep. Yeah, Yuri, let's go. Sit na, Yuri.
What has eyes that cannot see, a tongue that cannot taste, and a soul that cannot die?
Yana, say something. Say something.
What can you hear?
Say something to Nash about our plan for tomorrow. What our plan for tomorrow?
Sino Nash na
We're
yan?
gonna go swimming.
Swimming and then
And then we're gonna enjoy swimming with Jurel
Jurel and
Jewel. Sorry, natapon. My menu, dear. Daddy, natapon my menu, dear.
it's okay. Let's cover it.
It's time to go to sleep yan.
Bakit si Daddy?
I don't know.
Let's go na. Let's go sleep.
I'm tired.
Oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Let's go to sleep.
Saka hindi ako
Say bye-bye. Bye.
Hindi ata
Bye. Say bye-bye, Yana.
Daddy,
Baba yan ha.
Bye, Yana.
Hindi.
Ah,
Hindi ata makatulog.
bakit? Sobra sa kape.
Tingnan mo.
Ano yan? It's a trap. That is trap.
Yes.
Mosquito trap.
Lalapit ba
Flies
yun sa akin?
trap.
Sa tingin mo lalapit din sa akin.
Hindi.
Okay, tutulog na ako.